the impossible hill. I shouldn't have done that. What? What happened? No! Somehow my peg went under the chain guard thing. Yeah, we'll just get out the way from the main road. I guess I got a motorbike for the bit. Oh my god. I just built a motorbike. Sounds kinda 250, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Bump. Right, let me fix that. Okay, so that's ruined. My pretty bike. I think a rock got stuck in here and flicked it up or something. Oh, fun time. Traffic. I know. Nice. Oh, here comes the nettles. Ow, 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 ow. Alright, don't go in the water on the next bit, yeah? I learned the hard way. I nearly went in there. Something's rubbing here and the fix. They're going whoop, 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 whoop. Alright, I remember not to pedal, otherwise it just messes up my thing again. Gotta take off the chain guard. The beautiful crafted chain guard. Beach cruisers off-road today. This route. Whee! This thing's doing it off-road. The beach cruiser is off-road and doing it. Oh, I keep forgetting I shouldn't pedal. Yeah. Oh, I've got an issue. Cut out on me again. Yeah. But I think I know what my problem is. So. Woo. Okay. No, actually it's my bike telling me it's a bit hot. Nearly. Alright, I think we're downhill from here. Let's see. See if this can be to the rescue. vinyl to wrap up the wires in a bunch. I'm trying to get to the phase wires without snippers. It's becoming a problem. And sure enough, I'm looking at this yellow. It looks like it's melted to the green. And that will give me my issues. Yeah, it's come right through. This is why maybe you need shrink wrap instead of just electrical tape. So yeah, I need to start upgrading my wiring as you get more power. We need to up this wiring a bit better, especially with the new build coming up. Yeah, my 3-phase wires are actually melted together. Anyway, the symptom of that is your wheel will feel like it's vibrating when you're rolling it, you know, like don't hate on the sound effects, bro. It's probably your phase wires melted somewhere. So anyway, I've separated these, right? And as long as they are separate, I believe I should have my thing back. Let's see. Lift the front wheel, full power. So anyway, that's a symptom of phase wires burnt out, basically melted, touching each other. Don't get stranded out there, bro. Just ask Rasta. The only ghetto fix I know right now is to unravel some of this electrical insulation tape that's what actually melted off. Connections in the wires themselves don't seem burnt out. It just burnt my insulation off. These Victrical ladies, I got something for you. Ooh, dangerous bit. All them nettles. We need gloves. This hurts. Hey. $48 over here. Trail riding. Yep, you were the bike rider and we're doing some trail riding. Over here, we got a scooter rider. Do some electric scootering and them things. Twin hub motors over there, 1 hub motor over here. 1000 watts at the back, 1000 watts at the front over there. That's a 2000 watt setup, dual motor. Compared to the front wheel drive over here on this beach cruiser. Anyway, fully charged battery, both vehicles. We're gonna see how it takes trail riding in real life. Nothing fancy, just trail riding. She left me, bro. Since we're off-road, no GPS. But we're flying. That was epic. Epic sceneries as well. Is that an officer?
I think so.
Yeah. There's the po-po. Oh, we have to disappear. Anyway.